Hello everyone. Former President Jacob Zuma was involved in a car accident in KwaZulu-Natal on Thursday night. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party confirmed. Details regarding the exact location of the crash were not confirmed by the party, but spokesperson Tlamulo Ndlela said they will issue a statement soon. According to reports, Zuma was traveling from Nkandla to Eshowe to campaign for his Umkhonto weSizwe Party. It is alleged that a car drove straight into the car in which he was traveling during a convoy. This incident occurred around 10 p.m. on Thursday. Zuma has been rescued from the scene and is believed to be safe. Ndlela confirmed that he had heard about the incident but stated that the details surrounding it were still sketchy due to the nature of the accident. He stated that a detailed report would be released later regarding the matter. The former president was in Durban this week for his court battle against the ANC, which claims that he and the newly formed MK party had stolen their thunder by using a similar trademark and logo. But the Umkhonto weSizwe Party and its supporters have denied this, stating that the ANC feels threatened by their presence in South Africa's political arena, with a special focus on KZN, Zuma's home territory. He appeared in Durban in high spirits with the crowd behind him, while the ANC appeared meek in support and even got booed from the crowd. However, the ANC's heavyweights, including Secretary General Fikile Mbalula and KZN Provincial Secretary Mtolo, said they were not threatened by Umkhonto weSizwe Party. Zuma's crash comes after hours after 45 people died in Limpopo in a bus accident on Thursday. It is alleged that the bus lost control, plunged off a bridge, and caught fire on the Mamatlakala mountain pass in between Mokopane and Makan. The deceased were confirmed to be traveling to St. Angela's ZCC Church for the Easter conference in the province. In an update, only 12 bodies were retrieved from the site, but the search continues. May their souls rest in peace. Secretary of the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal, Mtolo, once said the former President Jacob Zuma must forget about taking part in this year's general elections and said he will be in hospital due to his old age. Mtolo was addressing ANC Comrades Forum at the Makoba Hall in Ngquthu, a region where the party has lost prominent leaders to the newly formed Umkhonto weSizwe Party. At that time, he said, "We are not scared of him because his age is on our side. He is old and I guarantee you that he won't see the upcoming elections. He will be in hospital." He said the ANC will attack Zuma everywhere, from corner to corner, river to river, mall to mall, and said he made us to lose Nkandla because people in his hometown didn't trust him. Now that he has left the ANC, we are going to win Nkandla with an outright majority. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.